Hey everyone, this is Patricia Agner from the Rutland City Public Schools, and I want to show you where you can find all of those Chrome extensions in the Chrome Web Store that we purchased for the Rutland City Public Schools. So I am logged into my Chrome browser, and you can see that I'm logged into my Chrome browser up here. I have my picture up here, and if I hover, I see my name. This also shows me that I am logged into my school district account right here. Over on the left, it says for the Rutland City Public Schools. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to show me some of the apps that we push out and also purchase. So some of the apps that we purchase that I want to point out to you today are Read and Write for Google Chrome. I'm going to scroll down a little bit. Here's the Text Help PDF Reader. We also pay for Zoom in the school district. We pay for SnapVerter, and that can convert classroom papers to accessible files. So if you have files that are paper-based that you pull out of a file cabinet and you want to give kids access, you can use this product to do that. Here's another product that we pay for called Equatio. It's a math tool. It's very nice, and we'll talk about that later. We pay for Screencastify. Screencastify is a tool that you can use to do screen captures, and we pay for it for you and our students. The Text Help PDF Reader app. And lastly, I want to point out that there are a lot of other products in here that we don't pay for, but we make available to you and our students in the Rutland City Public Schools. Thank you very much.